PingSunday has the special permission of Coach Chen Kangning. Please don't upload the video without the permission of Coach Chen and PingSunday.
Lean backward, right? After this placement, step out to the side. Hey, think about it. Have you taken a step up? Add some power and step smoothly. It's already out of the table. That's all he did, actually. After the placement, step and pivot. Handle all the balls. Think if it's like this. Whether I'm returning short, pushing, or chopping, it's step by step. The premise is after short placement, there's a step and this step. Fours. Lean backward. Okay. Very good. Good. Okay. Right. What's wrong? Feet didn't move. Leaning backward, isn't it? It's clear that you lean back, right? For this ball, step and take a cross step, right? Hey, good. The opportunity has arrived. The trap looks like an opportunity, but with this kind of ball, because your focus is all on fast balls. When a slow and high ball comes unexpectedly, but it's actually a trap. What do you need to do with this ball? Hold and wait for the right moment to strike. However, many players, what situation might they face? It's what I always talk about, being bold yet meticulous, and then lose their focus. What happens when you act boldly but lose focus? Understand that in table tennis, what is required? Precision. You need to be precise. Being bold should come from your prior judgment and adjustment. When you are precise in your actions, why should you be bold? At this moment, being bold means being decisive. Right, if you act boldly without a plan, your judgment will be rough, and so will your adjustment. Your movements won't be precise, you won't be meticulous, and by the time you make your move. So in this situation, what do you need? Confidence, until the moment you hesitate. Then there will be issues in your shot, right? Okay. Actually, you can loop this one. No problem. Yes, watch your other foot. Don't hesitate. Step back. Right. Use the small step pop. That's it. Step backward. Very good. Yes. It's a trap. Haha. Right. It's a chance. He slightly rushed the timing. When you loop underspin, aim for the upper middle section of the ball. Slightly towards the middle. Step in and wait for the chance to loop topspin. Keep looping in the same spot. It will definitely go out. What should you do then? Looping topspin, you should touch your forehead as you loop. Wouldn't it then stay in play? Aim for the nose position when the middle of the ball slightly towards the nose position. Do you see it? When you loop underspin, loop here. Keep looping here. Touching the forehead while looping. Wouldn't it then stay in play? Let's try to more. Pay attention to stop there. This is the nose. This is the forehead. Still going out. Nose, forehead. How could it go out? And if you look at his setup, naturally, there will be adjustments, right? Different parts mean different outcomes. Look, if I loop towards the nose, I'm focusing on the arc. Yes, if I loop towards the forehead, I'm focusing on pressing the arc. Clearly, facing the camera. Look here, this is looping towards the nose. This is touching the forehead. Let's go through to more repetitions. Yes, loop. Look, he did the same. Why did he use his backhand? Maybe he should have used his forehand solo. The core didn't engage yet, the hand has gone too far. Of course, you lost control. Can you not lose control? The core should lead the hand. See, I definitely engaged my core. The hand should aggressively reach. Definitely lost control. I didn't engage my core. The core should push the hand forward. Why did the core push the hand forward? The hand should move forward. Did he just block the ball? The core pushed him out. Did he just counter the incoming ball? As you approach the ball, a slight twist outward should suffice. He's about to block and twist outward. Is my movement structure stable? Right, no loss of control, right? Just like when you drive with your forehand. Bounce, shift weight, stop with the hand. What about the backhand then? It's the center of gravity pushing the core forward. Hand close to the ball, twist outward. Finish the twist and stop. It's still body leading the hand. Body leading the hand in this position. When hitting the ball, the hand should react upon seeing the ball. The hand pushes the ball while the core pushes the hand. The core isn't engaging. The core pushes the hand out. Do you want to attack or wait for this ball? Why wait? Because I'm slow to react, right? If you wait and it's too slow, won't you misjudge the timing? Oh, is it? Wait until you find the right timing to attack again. Can you wait for this? Use the opponent's power. Use the power. You need to attack or wait again. A topspin ball has been played. Is it using the opponent's power? Alright, let's go again. What do you do after waiting? Apply force and then attack. Oh, right. So, he didn't generate quality. I wait for a moment to generate power. He generated quality. I have to pick up the pace. Use the opponent's power effectively. See everything clearly. You're serving, right? The ones in the front are all the same. It's just in the process of landing. If you drop it naturally, won't the ball be low? What about backspin? Backspin is very simple. Look at the backspin. Isn't this side bottom spin? How do you make it have the spin? How do you serve that side bottom spin? Let me teach you a way. This is at 11 o'clock. 12 and 1 o'clock. Backspin.
接这个勾手的时候是怎么去判断他的那个想法？
哎，很简单，你既然会发，你不就会判断了吗？你看他接入球部位嘛，他找外侧底部怎么切都是下旋，找外侧中部怎么切都是侧上。如果是这么错出去的，或者提着发的，那肯定是拱。到台上一抱，肯定拱。
You are using a forehand topspin now. The loop drive is a bit unclear. A forehand topspin involves looping and driving. But now you are somewhere between looping and driving. You're not clear about these two techniques. What do I use to drive? I can't generate spin with my drive. Because I can only adjust the racket angle. Racket angle adjustment means a slight bright aim for the middle of the ball on contact. Right. Can I generate spin by contacting the ball? I can generate spin only with a slightly central contact. To create a curved trajectory. Right, you try it. This doesn't have quality. What should I do to add quality? Rotate more in the latter part. Is this a state of accelerated impact? This ensures that the acceleration and spin stay in play. What about the front part? It's for crossing the net in the latter part. Accelerate to put spin. It's to keep it in play. Pull doesn't need to be bright. Why did my pull become bright? Can I still find the upper middle part of the ball to create a cutting effect? So, do you still need to brighten the topspin shot? Should I naturally lean forward when pulling, but when I hit? Why is there no curve? I can't generate spin through friction, so should I still lean naturally? That's why I should brighten slightly when hitting. Do you see the difference now? Pulling doesn't require hitting. Make the distinction. This hitting is very good. Good, now loop it again.
又漂亮。转，还怕吗？转，很好，转。
Do you still need to brighten the top spin? Just lean forward naturally. If you really brighten your you won't find the upper middle part. How can you generate spin then? You can't create the right angle with the ball. Lean forward naturally. Lean forward naturally. Remember, you're ready to loop all of them. Suddenly, they give you a short one. Have you noticed your strokes are a bit high? It's because when you come up, you tend to just stand since your upper body didn't dare to move forward. Your hand should always stay flat. If your upper body dares to move forward, your hand can slightly rise up. Do you understand? Oh. Rub the bottom side forward. Pull back smoothly. Make a feint motion. Cut in. No rubbing at all. Utilize this feint motion. Actually, it's the real motion. The feint motion before serving. Push it out. Don't serve too seriously. Stand here and play around first. Real or feint. Spin it, right? Check out the feint and reel. Why didn't it spin? I didn't really cut the ball here. Although my hand came in, I didn't cut the ball. I pulled it back. I wiped it out. See, wiping it out doesn't spin. I really cut it. After cutting, make a motion. After cutting, make a feint motion. I slowed it down. Can you see it clearly now? Then this one doesn't cut. Push the ball out while wiping it back. Fundamental logic. Real cutting and feint wiping spins. Feint cutting and real wiping doesn't spin. Hey, this doesn't spin, right? Feint cutting and real wiping doesn't spin. It just doesn't spin, right? No spin, right? Spin, right? Play around with serving like this. Don't serve too seriously, right?
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.